Hey everyone, today we'll be looking at my mom's chicken curry. This is my wife's favorite food whenever we go to my mom's house because it's not that spicy yet full of flavor. So let's get to it. First, put on a pan or brazier on medium heat. Now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the oil heats up, we're adding about half a sliced onion. You don't have to be exact here, you can use all of the onion if you want. Mix it around a little, cook for about 2 minutes. Once the onions turn a little translucent, we're going to add salt. We can add more later to taste. Now we're adding the garam masala, which is about 4 cardamom pods and 1 stick of cinnamon crushed into small pieces. Next, we add about 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, followed by 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Then we add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, just a little more, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now we mix it all up. Keep stirring until everything is thoroughly mixed. Now we add the chicken. My mom used a 3.5 pound chicken cut into medium-sized pieces. Mix the chicken with the rest of the mixture. You want everything evenly coated in the masala. Once you're happy that everything is mixed in pretty good, put the lid on and let it cook for about 30 to 40 minutes. After about 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to add some ketchup, about 1 teaspoon. We will check on the chicken a couple of times within that 30 to 40 minutes. You see, Bengali cooking is like Bengali parents who can't leave their kids alone and have to check on them multiple times within an hour. And here's our signature, some grade A farm fresh bubbly ASMR. After it's all done, right before taking the chicken off the heat, we're going to add some Bereshta and about 1 teaspoon of toasted cumin seeds powder. Check the description for a link to the video on how to make Bereshta and toasted cumin seed powder. So there we have it guys, simple Bangladeshi chicken curry. I hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe to our channel. Cheers!